go. Final submission. We're gonna go start with with create an account. We'll do test five. Okay. Oops. Create an account. All right. So right away we got our nice little onboarding page. Just like 5 quick pages that describe how the app works. First, you're going to choose your specialization. So, just default to woodworking, and you could do more than one if you want. It's telling us a little bit more about how everything works. Then we have our smart features outline, which I'm going to go into in a second. And yep, project documentation guide, and we have our AI skills assessment and all that good stuff. All right, let's get right into it. Default page of the camera. That's a little upgrade from the last version. So we're going to start with our identify tools mode in the camera here. And I got my one tool that I have in this entire apartment. Clearly, I am not the target user for this app, but that's okay. All right, we got a tape measure, and now we're going to add that to our tools inventory. Success. And we go into our tools, and we have tape measure. And you can add things manually if you want. Um, and you can even add the brand. Um, but yeah, so for now, my account that I just created to show you the onboarding, because it only comes up when you create a new account, just has this one tool in it. Okay, and now we'll show you the craft feed page. Welcome tester account. Here's my some more fake accounts, John Craftsman. We have liking capabilities. We can comment. Wow, what a great project. Okay, comment goes up. Great. That's there. We can view stories. It's just my keyboard, just an example. Um, you can post stories, take a picture of outside, and share that to my story. It's a little slow, it'll come up, but you can see it on the other accounts almost right away, but it'll come up. And then yeah, so this is not the account that I'm in right now. This is the other account, so you can't see the story views, but I'll show you in a second that how you can see your own story views. So that was I showed you the identify tools, which populates your tool inventory. And now, hopefully this will work. I'm gonna this is the analyze project tool. I don't really have a project that I'm working on, but hopefully it understands that I'm trying to measure this window. Just give that a second. Here we go. Oh, I gotta work on that markdown. Image shows tape measure being used to measure the width of a windowsill. Tape measure is extended to about 8 inches. So yes, we got a lot of detail. It's very confident and it's right, so it should be confident. Um, let's see, we have safety considerations. All of this is built into the prompt to basically just essentially describe what what's happening, the process that is happening. And I guess the idea here is that the user can just focus on their process and simply just documenting what they're doing and basically have automated descriptions, detailed descriptions of what's going on for their users. I'm going to work on that markdown notation. That was an issue that we had before that I'll show you that we fixed. This was in the SmartCraft Assistant. So this is connected to our knowledge base here, where we have several articles of from different topics, and basically SmartCraft assistant. Oh, here's the tutorial that I set up as also sort of part of the onboarding. So, and that gets reflected. We can do this first one. Um, Tapped it twice by accident. So, okay, great, complete tutorial. All right, so now we have that as completed. And when we go into our profile, it says joins today's date. That's our name, tester account. We said woodworking. We're still a novice. The skill level is automatically calculated when you upload your projects. Um, so right now I'm set at novice, and then the AI will assess. We have projects here, and then we have a project walkthrough. This is what I was talking about. The analytics should show. Um, oh, I guess it says 5 out of 5 for onboarding because I didn't skip the initial. And I don't know why it says 2 out of 3 tutorials. I only did one. I'll look into that. Then we have the project walkthrough, where it's basically just gonna give us an idea of how we can begin. So we'll start the project, and this is, yeah, simple cutting board. And it's gonna kind of walk us through, ask us to take photos for documentation, and then you complete the step. I'm not gonna do it right now. Um, And what else can I show you? Let's see if that story is up. Might have to close the app, get it back up again. Um, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, there's a lot of really cool things that I would like to do with it if I had more time. The biggest thing would be the reverse engineer to basically take a series of photos or videos of a finished product and have the AI kind of essentially tell you how reverse engineer it and tell you how you would build it and what materials you would need, etc. And before we had some issues with the gallery. So this one connects just to my phone gallery. But if we go into the camera settings, there we go. And okay, well, we're working on that. The idea was that the photos taken on the app would have this little hammer next to it. Seems to be kind of inconsistent on that. Let me see what else I can show you. Oh, I was going to show you the SmartCraft assistant to show you that I had fixed the markdown notation. So let's do, how do I start pottery wheel throwing? Okay, interested, you're interested in pottery, specifically wheel throwing, the wonderful craft. Oh, so it knows, however, your currently available tools are more suited to woodworking rather than pottery. Um, so it's a pretty detailed, and you see how before we were getting this um, markdown notation issue that you saw in the other tool. This is what it looks like now. We got these nice bolded, um, you know, words here instead of all the asterisks. Um, but yeah, like I said, I'm very proud of it. I've put a lot into it. Here, let's see. Yeah, and this is skills progression after you post projects. That this number is going to go up, as well as your score. Um, so yeah, I'm really happy with it. Really excited to hear what you guys think about it. Anyway.